Well, you're probably wondering what am I doing out here with a pack of beef sausage rolls and a pack of frozen chicken nuggets. Right here beside me I've got an air fryer, and it's not just your normal type of air fryer. This is a 12-volt air fryer, something we've been working on at Rockarmor for the last 6 months now. So if you've got a dual battery system set up in the back of your vehicle and you've got an Anderson plug in the back, well, you're in luck because this air fryer will work straight away for you. It's a 250 watt device. It uses up to 20 amps of power and it'll cook your chicken nuggets or sausage rolls in about 15 minutes. So let's give this air fryer a test run and just see how it goes. Maybe 4 chicken nuggets and say 1 beef sausage roll. So, lock it up and we'll give that about, say, 15 minutes. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes. We've just heard the ding. We're going to open it up and give these things a taste test. Bit of brown colour on there as well. So, and that's cooked. So let's check out one of the chicken nuggets. These are my favourite. They're actually really hot. And they taste amazing. Okay, so if you don't have an inverter installed in the back of your vehicle, however, but you do have an Anderson plug with a dual battery system, well, this is your best mate. I definitely recommend it. Get one of these, take it out camping, take it out to your picnic, wherever you want to go.